She likes sailing from Salvation Armies. Says it makes her feel like the movies. Bound her eyes with a crooked smile. Wonder why the hell I'm pissed. Welcome back everyone to another acoustic tutorial. Today we'll be covering Messed Up Kid, the Tyler Childers song. I know that Zach Bryan also has a song called Messed Up Kid. We will not be doing that song. It's the Tyler Childers song. The one that's on YouTube and not on any streaming platform. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe. I release acoustic tutorials, I release acoustic covers, and I release my own original music. I have an album coming out this Friday actually, so make sure to check that out. Links are in the description. If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe if you want, and comment any song that you want me to cover. Either an actual cover or to do a tutorial for. So let's get right into it. Messed Up Kid has a capo on the 3rd fret. The chords you're going to be using today are an E major, an A major, an F sharp minor, and then this chord right here, which can either be an E major 7 suspended or B11. I'll put the thing what it is right here so you can look at it. Now, the strumming pattern for this song is pretty simple once you get the rhythm for it. It might be a little bit hard to first grasp it though. So it's gonna sound something like this. All you're gonna be doing is a down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And there's going to be a chord change in the middle of that strumming pattern. The strumming pattern stays the same for both the chorus and the verses, so I'll just start off with the verse and show you how it sounds. With the verse, we're going to start off in this E major, and we are going to do just a down, down, up, and then we're going to switch into this A and just do down, down. So put together and slowly, it would sound like this. Now usually, to then go back into the E major, I would like to just add a down, up, and then go back into the E major. You don't have to add this at the end, but I think it's a nice way to transition back into the root chord. So that would sound like this. Adding that little piece at the end would sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So now, once you do that 3 times, we're then just going to down strum this chord that I was talking to you about earlier, and then an A major, and then an E major. So all put together with the verse and the lyrics would sound like this. This ain't like any film that I recall. It ain't exactly the Italian job. This kind of shit is for soccer moms dying to be young again. And so that's the verse. It's pretty simple once you get it all together. Now on to the chorus. The chorus is really almost identical to the verse. The only thing that changes is on the first go around of the chorus chord progression, we are going to go into this F sharp minor instead of going into the E major. So what do I mean by this? It's just this. So yeah, the F sharp minor is the only change right there, and it's only on the first go around of the chord progression. You do that strumming pattern 3 times, and then you do the B11, A major, E major. And that's the entire song. Here's how the chorus sounds individualized. She's dancing around the room in a cheetah print bodysuit. Roll the credits when a scene is through, the story of a messed up kid. So that's the song. There's not really much else to it. It's a pretty easy song to learn and pick up. That bar chord for the F sharp minor might be a little bit tricky to get, but I am releasing a tutorial on how to do bar chords very soon, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to check that out. Now, as always, I'll do a quick little run through of the verse and the chorus put together so you can hear how the song sounds in unison. She says, I got a problem with drinking, love's going out on the weekend. Throws me the keys with a pretty please and wonders if I drive her home. You think if she knew my weakness, she'd try and help me to beat it. That's why I love her so, but since Roanoke, I don't take her out to shop no more. She's dancing around the room in a cheetah print bodysuit. Roll the credits when the scene is through, the story of a messed up kid. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and my album is coming out this Friday. So go check it out. Thank you. Have a great day.